Kynhun Myntri ke Sorkar Jela Meghalaya ha kejingelang ke belalong ha kakandru terik urempang arhajar arpun riau. Kelasya migirai ban pendelong ya ke election Chaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha ubna Ïaïong. Unong ai ketian ke Sorkar uba wailat miki shelau le pentip ke Sorkar kala menjur ke terik ban pendelong ya ke election. Labo ya kakandai terik uleber ha kasngi ke ban penmi ya ke notification. Ha kakan Nriu terik uleber kasni ke bakat do ban tap kerteng bat kasni ban bishar ya kikot kisla. Kakat nyo terik uleber kasni bakat do ban weng ya ki kerteng. Kakat pra terik uleber kasni ban ai ya ki sharp ne ki symbol. Ka shipau terik Ïaïong kasni ban tap vote na do kopor nyo bejaman step bero saw bejajan miet. Bat kakat saw terik Ïaïong kasni ban nyo vote.
Schedule of the MDC election. So it's like this: the date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2), it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16th March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026.